Good day, my friends. Today we're going to make a very nice condiment, shrimp head furikake. It's a lovely condiment to add on your rice, make your onigiri. I even use it on my eggs and on lots of other good stuff. Let's not waste our time. It's very easy to do, you just need the right ingredients. And here's what we need for our furikake. About 20 grams of bonito flakes, 25 to 30 shrimp heads. They can be cooked or they can be raw. A teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, a teaspoon of raw cane sugar, 50 grams of white sesame seeds, 50 grams of black sesame seeds, 3 to 4 roasted nori seeds, and if you want to give a little punch to your furikake, use half a teaspoon of wasabi powder. Take a dry frying pan, put the heat on medium. We're going to toast our shrimp heads for about 10 to 15 minutes. The roasting is really going to boost our flavors. Put some baking paper on your oven plate. The shrimps, put your oven on 150 degrees Celsius and we're going to let them dry for 1 hour. Again, the dry frying pan, medium heat again. Pour the sesame seeds, black and white, and we're going to toast them until they start popping. As soon as they start popping, kill the heat and put the seeds in a bowl to cool down. We're going to prepare the nori sheets. Cut them in half. Cut them in half again. And again for a third time. And then just cut them into little strips. And we're just going to crush the bonito flakes a little bit. It's very dry, so it's very easy. Here we go. Crush the pink Himalayan salt grossly. And here they are completely dried. You just smell how much flavor there's in these little boys. We're going to let them cool down for half an hour. And we're just going to put them in the mortar. And then we're going to filter it a little bit. This is what we don't want in our furikake. We're going to add the Himalayan salt, add the cane sugar, the toasted sesame seeds, and of course, if you want to give this a kick, don't forget to put half a tablespoon of wasabi powder in there. And here we got our prawn heads furikake. Store in a dry place. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. All that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.